In this video, we showcase the successful installation and commissioning of Zhongtuo's rain gutter guard profile roll forming machine at a client site in the USA. This machine features a complete workflow. With expert on-site support, Zhongtuo technical team ensured a seamless setup, optimizing performance for immediate production. The client praised both the smooth installation process and the reliable operation of the machine, which now delivers consistent, high-quality output for aluminum gutter guard profiles. Designed for the production of K-style gutter covers, this line efficiently filters leaves and debris while maintaining smooth water flow, an essential solution for residential and commercial roofing systems. Zhongtuo's proven performance and service have gained trust across global markets. This U.S. installation is another step forward in providing advanced, customized roll forming solutions to clients worldwide. Contact us for technical details, customization options, or scheduling a demo.